with Danny Baker. We're going to go and look for some bass, and got one rod out while we go out to our mark and see what we can find. Hopefully have something to show you. Beautiful day, a little bit windier than forecast, but certainly not life-threatening or uncomfortable or anything like that. So over the right hand side I've just got one lure, we're towing it out to the mark just to pick up a bonus fish hopefully on the way, and see what we can do. A mile and a half out now, I've been paddling for ages, and we're playing chicken with a pair of trawlers, which isn't a great idea. There we go. Just a maker and a pair trawling team. Here we are. Another adventure with... Oh! Untight! Yeah. Good, I'm getting tired. Fish. But I think it's a pout, guys. First blood. Drifting too fast for me, I'm absolutely knackered. I'm going to go and anchor. At least it'll give me a rest. Out on a hermit crab. Do one thing, yeah, fair old size for pout. There you go. Proper fish cake material if you wanted to eat them. Yeah, put some bend in the rod though. Danny Baker, live bait pout, he says. Look at the size of it. It's bigger than some of the cod I catch at Seafood. Oh, it's not too bad, man. That's like a two pound pout. It's a powder shark, and they're big pout, but not what we want to catch really. How quickly these pout come on. I'm going to cast in. I'm going to turn the camera around. The lead is hitting the bottom now, and we wait for a bite, and they're biting. It is that quick. Look, we've got another pout. Looks like we can unhook this one. Well, it's a big live bait. I'll persist to see if I can get a smaller one. And they're just like dead after a few turns of the handle. Yeah, at least you don't get that here. But I'm not sure how long I can take them for. But they are respectable fish. I remember once putting a set of Hawkeyes down and baiting it, and I had 6. Like great big ones. Oh, it's not, that's why. It's a lesser spotted dogfish. No, well, it makes a change, sir. Change is as good as a rest, as they say. Doggy. It's looking a bit more sporty, guys. So I had a double take. I think the other rod's gone into the wreck. I've got whatever's on this one. I think I'm going to go back down to one rod. But I think this might be smooth hand, as Danny said. Yeah, it's a smoothie. Did pick up the other line. Not massive. Little smoothie. Little rockets. Look who's going on for bait. Look who's going on for bait. Look who's going on for bait. Something else, guys. No idea. No idea what this is. It's a rod bender. Maybe a ray. But it's a bit funky. We'll see. Got a £1/2 live bait on the other rod to slow those pout down. Like to see him eat that. And this is a good fish. Into something good here. Yeah. I'd say rayy. A little bit rayy, but I'm not sure. It ain't coming up, you know. I've gained a bit of line and it's taking it all back. Doesn't fight like a smoothie. Yeah, an undie. Undie from a bundy. Double figure undulate, guys. Pretty sure it'll be a double. Oh yeah. That ain't bad. Ooh! I love these. Eat your heart out, Martin Stevens, that's all I'm saying. Ain't bad. Yeah, oh, it's a low double, but it's a double. Makes my Swanage one look very big. Oh. There's a bit of perspective on that. She's beautiful. Look at that. Yahoo! So another species for the session, a little black bream. Chapter. Only small. Yum. So much for my bream and place rig. Double shot of pout on my bream and place rig. Can't see it. Hi, I've got a fish. Got a doggy again. Arr, arr, arr. So I've got a fish on this rod and the other rod's tapping me in the bum. Oh, God! And another black bream. Nice little fish. We'll let him go. It's manic out here, guys. Manic. Got fish everywhere. Just literally. Pardon? Like the full fish fest in the trot, isn't it? Got like double bites. Look, really, I put them down. They're just like I mean, I know I'm getting a lot of pout, but at least there's other stuff chucked in amongst it. Another double shot of pouties. Well, it's a lot easier going back than coming in, so doing 3.5 knots now. We're at the same sort of pedal velocity than on the way out, where I was doing 1.4 knots, so going over 2 times the speed, not fighting the wind, not fighting the tide like I was on the way out here, so that's quite nice. Should mean theoretically half the travelling time. So I really enjoyed that. 2 mile paddle back now. It's going to give everything that I've got to get back in, but at least it's a beautiful evening. Take the time. I've left Danny fishing. He's got more stamina than me. He'll catch me up, I'm sure. But yeah, all the way back to Shoreham Harbour from about 2 miles out. But really enjoyed that. Mixed bag today. But it's always good, isn't it? You know, catching the same old thing all the time. The pout did get a bit boring, but you know, it's nice to mix things up a bit. Pleased with the undulate ray, pleased with smooth round. So if you like, subscribe, and if you don't bother, as I always say. But hopefully, if you're not already kayak fishing or into kayak fishing, I've at least got you a little bit interested in, you know, what you can do and what's out there for you. Just a quick drift for PLAICE while we wait for Danny Baker to catch us up, and see if we can get a fish, add another species, and the plan comes together. For PLAICE, guys. Cheers. Small, that one, we can go back. He's just about legal, but he's lightly hooked, so he can go home. PLAICE are coming in thick and fast now, all just about sizable, but I'm only going to keep any that are looking a bit deeply hooked. But there's another one. This one's undersized actually, but it's a fish. It's a fishy, and he's lightly hooked, so he can go. Just still waiting for Danny. I haven't been doing this long, but it's fish number 3. The evening's coming in, and sunset's beautiful, and so's the PLAICE fishing. So not very big, but consistent sport from PLAICE. Just got one rod drifting. Yeah, they're coming in. Oh, Baker must be on the fish because he's stopped coming in. He's out there up to something, not paddling anymore. Just about to see him. So I don't know what he's found. Be interesting. I'll ask him. What are you up to, Baker? What you found?
Just seems to be a massive shoal of fish on the sounder, and I've just dropped a lure down, had a few bumps, but I don't know what they are.
Yeah, I've seen a few of them. There's a shoal under me now, right tight to the bottom.
I think if they're mackerel or bass, they would slam into a lure, any type of lure.
I've been this rig up with his little beads, and yeah, he'd be pleased with that. He's caught me 2 fish. So, is it a lucky rig or is it a new hotspot? But they're thick and fast now. Better. We're proper hauling in the place now. It's fish every minute or 2. Another one. Bye. Not even going to bait that top hook. It's just Now this really is the end. I hope so. Unless I get a bass, just as I go in the harbour. But no, it's been a great day. Thanks for watching.